Welcome to our ultimate comparison of the AuKing Projector and the ONO 800 ANSI Native 1080p projector. Today, we will look at two projectors that cater to different needs and budgets. The AuKing Projector is a budget-friendly option, while the ONOAYO offers advanced features and higher performance. Let's find out which one is right for you. When it comes to price, the AuKing Projector is significantly more affordable at just $99 US, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the ONOAYO projector comes with a premium price tag of $379 US, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. This price difference is a crucial factor to consider based on your budget and needs. Brightness is another important aspect to consider. The AuKing Projector boasts an impressive brightness of 9,500 lumens, making it suitable for various lighting conditions. On the other hand, the ONOAYO projector has a brightness of 800 ANSI lumens, which may not perform as well in bright environments. However, it is designed to deliver better image quality in darker settings, which is essential for home theater use. In terms of features, the AuKing Projector offers basic functionalities suitable for home use, including multiple connectivity options. However, the ONOAYO projector stands out with its built-in streaming capabilities for Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video, along with advanced features like electric focus and keystone correction. These smart features make the ONOAYO a more versatile choice for modern entertainment needs. In conclusion, both projectors have their strengths and weaknesses. The AuKing Projector is perfect for those looking for an affordable and portable option, while the ONOAYO projector is ideal for users who want advanced features and superior performance. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.